Naghahanap ba kayo ng budget hotel dito sa Tokyo na malinis and malapit sa train station? Then this video is for you. So itong hotel na to ay 2-minute walk lang to the nearest Tokyo Metro Station. May Lawson convenience store sa baba, may Cafe Gusto na restaurant sa baba mismo ng hotel. Malapit lang din ito sa Tokyo Station and malapit lang din sa Ginza. So ang hotel na ito ay Smile Hotel Tokyo Nihonbashi. So I got the double room non-smoking and bigyan ko kayo ng room tour. So here's our door and my emergency notice. Always check the emergency notice, fam, ha, para makita nyo kung saan yung mga fire exits sa floor ninyo. So here's the toilet. It's a typical Japanese style na toilet. Merong bidet, bathtub with complete toiletries, fresh towels, and hair dryer. And dito sa room, we have a double bed. Natulugan ko na to kagabi. Sobrang komportable and sobrang sarap ng tulog ko. We have a clock over here. Andito yung mga control ng ilaw. Tapos meron ding outlet dito. We have a mini working table here, may air purifier sa baba, may nightwear, may telephone, tissue, andito yung mga hotel information, and here's our TV. Ang maganda sa TV dito, may Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube, at iba pa. Dito naman sa baba, we have a mini ref, electric kettle, meron tayong full body mirror here. Sa baba naman, may mga free amenities sila. You can get all the things that you need. May hotel sleepers, razor, cotton buds, at marami pang iba. Meron ding microwave na pwede nyo gamitin 24/7 and may vending machine. So again, this is Smile Hotel Tokyo Nihonbashi. You can book this on Klook and use my code para makakuha kayo ng extra discounts.